because I'm just gonna so usually ooh. Oh. If it was cut. Put it on the side like this. And stick it back in the oven. So YouTube, what I'm trying to do is cut the bread apart, put the bread on the side, and stick it back in the oven so I am sure it's cooked. This one here, that's why I like these containers. These always come out perfect. See that? It's like soft. That's how you want your bread, nice and soft. If I feel like I could stick it back in the oven, but these definitely I'm putting them back in the oven on the side so I know it's really cooked. And that's my bread.